Hey guys, so here's another update of me and my Amare juice. Once again, I can't tell you what day it is since I had to skip 3 days, but I'm finally back on the Amare Happy Juice, and it is giving me motivation and it is giving me lots of energy. Once again, I highly recommend this to anybody who has any kind of mental health issue going on or anything going on with their serotonin or dopamine, because 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut and 70% of your dopamine is also produced in your gut. Now, I went a little overboard on my makeup today. Well, I wouldn't say overboard, but I did add some mascara to my bottom lashes, which I rarely ever do. I just thought since I've been putting my eyeliner underneath my eyelashes instead of on my waterline lately that I might put some mascara there and see how it looks, and I really like it. Also, I'm a little overloaded on necklaces at the moment. I'm a little overloaded on jewelry. I got three earrings in, I got 8 rings on, 2 bracelets, and 4 necklaces. But the necklaces, 3 of them are healing crystals. I'll show you here. Here we have a piece of moldavite, which is the most powerful healing crystal in the world, and it's very helpful. Here we have a piece of rose quartz, which is the crystal of love. And then down here, we have a piece of green aventurine, which is actually the crystal of luck. And it really is a lucky crystal. I used to have a green aventurine necklace, but unfortunately it broke on me. And the very first day that I wore that necklace, I walked into a store and I went to go buy a Tibetan singing bowl, and they gave me 2 for the price of 1. So that was extremely lucky.